Hello students, myself Nida Sheikh from Department of Chemistry, Government Vidarbh Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati. In this video, we are discussing about some practicals of BSc first year that includes organic preparation and inorganic qualitative analysis. So let's discuss about organic preparation. So let's discuss about the first experiment. The aim of this experiment is to prepare benzonylide from aniline. This is benzylation reaction in which benzoyl group is substituted in place of active hydrogen of hydroxyl group, primary amino or secondary amino group. When aniline is treated with benzoyl chloride in presence of sodium hydroxide, benzonylide is formed. In this preparation, sodium hydroxide is used as a base. Basically, it is used to neutralize the liberated HCl in the reaction. This reaction is also called as Schotten-Bowman reaction. Chemicals required for this reaction: aniline, 10% NaOH and benzoyl chloride. The apparatus used for this experiment is conical flask, Buchner funnel, measuring cylinder and filter paper. Now let's see the procedure of this experiment. First, take 1 ml of aniline and 10 ml of 10% NaOH solution in 250 ml conical flask. Here 10% of sodium hydroxide is prepared by dissolving 10 gram of sodium hydroxide in some quantity of water, and then volume is made up to 100 ml of water. Now to the above mentioned, add 1.5 ml of benzoyl chloride slowly with vigorous shaking. Then cork the flask and shake it for further 15 to 20 minutes or till the odor of benzoyl chloride can no longer be detected. After that, crude benzonylide separates as a white solid. Then dilute the reaction mixture with cold water. After that, we filter the crude benzonylide with suction on a Buchner funnel. Then wash with cold water and recrystallize from hot alcohol. Then allow the product to dry in a hot oven. After completion of drying, weigh the product and calculate the percentage yield. So let's move to the next part, that is calculation. Here limiting reagent is aniline, hence yield should be calculated from its amount taken. So molecular formula of aniline is C6H7N. Molecular formula is the number of atoms present in the molecule. So in case of aniline, there are 6 carbon atoms, 7 hydrogen atoms and 1 nitrogen atom. So each number of atom is multiplied by its atomic mass number. So here 6 is total number of carbon present in alanine is multiplied by the atomic mass number of carbon plus 7, that is total number of hydrogen present in aniline multiplied by mass number of hydrogen plus 1, that is number of nitrogen atom multiplied by atomic mass number of nitrogen, that is 14. So molecular weight of aniline is 93 gram per mole. Now molecular formula of benzonylide is C13H11ON. 13 is the total number of carbon atom present in benzonylide multiplied by atomic mass number of carbon plus 11, that is total number of hydrogen multiplied by 1, that is atomic mass number of hydrogen plus 16. Here only one oxygen is present, so only 16 is there, plus 14, only one nitrogen atom is present here, so the answer is 14, means 14 into 1, that is 14. So molecular weight of benzonylide is 197 gram per mole. In this reaction, the starting material is aniline and end product, that is our main product, is benzanylide. Here 93 gram of aniline forms 197 gram of benzanylide. Generally, for calculating theoretical yield, the amount of limiting reagent that is used in procedure is considered. But here aniline is in liquid state, so the amount of aniline taken multiplied by the density of aniline. One, that is amount of aniline multiplied by 1.02, that is the density of aniline. So multiply these two digits, that is 1 into 1.02, the answer is 1.02 gram. So 93 gram of aniline forms 197 gram of benzanylide. Then 1.02 gram of aniline form how much amount of benzanylide, that is considered as X. So X is equal to 197, that is molecular weight of benzanylide multiplied by 1.02, that is amount of limiting reagent taken, is divided by molecular weight of aniline. So after calculating this digit, we get 2.16, that is the theoretical yield. Now practical yield, that is the product obtained by the procedure. So uh, after following all these steps in the procedure, we get 1 gram of benzanylide. So the practical yield is 1 gram. Now calculate the percent yield by using the formula practical yield divided by theoretical yield multiplied by 100. Here practical yield is 1 gram, theoretical yield is 2.16 gram multiplied by 100. So answer is 46.29%. So percent yield is 46.29%. Now let's move to the last part of this experiment, that is result. So first, weight of crude benzanylide is 1 gram. Second, percentage yield of benzanylide was found to be 46.29%. Third, melting point is 163 degrees Celsius. The melting point is determined by using Thil's tube. The link is given here from where you can get the video of this experiment.